North Korea may be enriching more uranium to produce nuclear weapons than previously thought. Leading Chinese nuclear experts have significantly increased their estimates of the number of bombs the isolated nation can make. One recent Chinese assessment showed it could have 20 warheads already and double that number by next year, a sharp increase over the most recent estimates by U.S. experts. On top of that, U.S. officials say North Korea can now mount a nuclear warhead on an intercontinental ballistic missile, the weapons that during the Cold War the U.S. and the Soviet Union used to threaten one another with nuclear mutually assured destruction. The North Korean ICBM has not been tested yet, U.S. officials say, but it is estimated to have the range to reach the western edge of the continental U.S., including California. What are the top security concerns for the U.S.? The Chinese estimates, if accurate, suggest that Pyongyang is on the verge of obtaining a credible nuclear deterrent, reducing the likelihood that it would ever be willing to halt its atomic weapons program. North Korea's expanding nuclear arsenal and missile capabilities could lead the U.S. to adopt new countermeasures, strengthening missile defense, for example. They could also prompt Japan and South Korea to seek their own nuclear weapons. Both have mutual defense treaties with Washington, meaning an attack on either is regarded as an attack on the U.S. What's more, the U.S. and many other countries are concerned about nuclear proliferation from a country that previously exported such technology to Syria and others. That's the short answer.